Yeah, I just put these tires on like 2 days ago, brand new tires, and you know, I already got my first flat. Terrific. No. No. Soapy water. Oh, wow. Something happened where I don't know, maybe I put it in wrong. Like, this goes all the way around the rim, and all this is left over. Doesn't make sense. I could stretch that or something because maybe it could fold in on itself when it was on the tire, and I hit a bump or something like that, and it popped. I don't know, something happened. Yeah, it's slowly deflating. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. There's a little sealant leaking out. That's the pinhole that caused the tube to go flat. It's got sealant in there, but it's not sealing anything. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it. There it is. Yeah, soapy water. Let's put some air in and see what happens. Check, make sure it's seated properly. Check both sides. That looks good. Here we go. That's it. Wow. All right.